Hello YouTube, Henry Lucero here from Arrow Electric Service with another electrical tip. When's the last time you had your circuit breaker panel serviced? A lot of people never think about it. You know, the electrical system is out of sight, out of mind, but your circuit breaker panel does need servicing. I would recommend at least once every 3 to 4 years. If you've never had it serviced, it'd be a great idea to have it serviced. I came out to a customer's house today here in Bedford, Texas, and they were having arcing and lights dimming and stuff like that, and the Encore utility came out and pulled their meter because the main circuit breaker was sparking. So here's what happens when you don't have your circuit breaker panel serviced. These lugs right here, these connections were loose, and you need to have everything serviced. All these lugs, all the connections on your circuit breakers need to be tightened. At least, like I say, at least if you've never had it done, have it done. And if you have had it done, it's good to have it checked every several years, 3-5 years. So it's a good idea to have your circuit breaker panel service, have all these connections tightened, because as you can see, these breakers are burned, they're charred. And luckily it didn't start a fire, but it can start a fire. So if you have any questions, if you need your circuit breaker panel service, give us a call. We'd be glad to come out, take a look at it, and service your panel and tell you if you need an upgrade or a new panel change. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share. Thank you.